Welcome to Mel Ramirez inaugural fishing tournament. We'd like to welcome you for our first fishing tournament at Calatagan, Batangas. So we are looking forward to an exciting tournament and sana lahat ay makahuli ng malalaking isda. And for a long time, this is a marine protected area where there are mangroves and nature protection or nature conservation efforts. In this tournament, we are also giving a legacy award for a fisherman who exemplifies community service, love for fishing, love of nature, and who are making an impact in the community, making a difference in marine conservation and promoting ecotourism in community. And to prove that Calatagan is a marine protected area with rich biodiversity, we wish them good luck and may the best man win the biggest catch of the year.
Masaya po gawa ng kami na ka-challenge kung makapunta-punta pa sa ibang lugar, baka maimbita baka sa kami. Maimbita mag-challenge pa ulit, baka maganda pang maging performance to sa ibang lugar. Ngayon po ay sumama pa nun, kaya po hindi namin na salbang ganda ng dagat gawa ng hindi kami nakapanghuli ng malalaki. Ayan, pula at pantabihan pula ang aming nakayanan.
Maganda laro, nakahuli tayo.